Hey everyone, Eric from Rockin' H, and we are going to check out this brand new Roadrunner sprayer trailer, 1/64 scale. I've already taken one out of the box, but I'm going to do an unboxing for you, show you what it's all about, because these are cool as heck. If you don't want to get one, I recommend it. They're pretty awesome. Let's get going. Okay, here is the brand new Roadrunner sprayer trailer. This is made by Diecast Masters in partnership with Frierichs Model Works. Freaking cool model. I've already opened this once, so I already boogered up that flap, but oh well. Maybe I'll keep it, then it won't matter. Okay, not only does it come in its own box like this, it also comes boxed with this packaging. So you have this for shipping, or yeah, I mean, you got a box in a box. It's pretty cool. So nice little touch there. And let's get on this. Now, it does have tape that you'll have to cut on both ends. Obviously, that's already done. There it is. Now, what you are going to love about this trailer, this is diecast, people. This is cool. Why diecast is so cool? Because unlike 3D printing, like I have a 3D printed trailer I modeled after a Roadrunner I gave to a buddy, and then I resell them in my store. This one is die-cast. It's never going to sag. You're going to have the problems you might have with a 3D printed product over time. Plus, you just get all this cool detail that obviously you can do it with 3D printing. I didn't, but there's just a lot of really, really awesome stuff, and you get all these decals and okay. Enough of that. Let's start at the beginning. This is designed to fit DCP brand trucks. It'll fit any 1/64 scale truck, so that's really not a problem. But they were designed with that particular brand in mind because obviously those are one of the higher detail trucks at this time. So you've got your standard tank. Now the tank is plastic. It's screwed on here and here. Not a big deal there. And then your ladder is also plastic. The tongue, kingpin, all of this, you know, down everything here, the fenders, all of this is die-cast, which makes it freaking awesome. This Profil 2 box is plastic. No worries there. You got some banjo valves, some tubing that goes from the tank to your Profil. Pretty awesome. The landing gear even works, so if you want to stage this as a park trailer on your layout or on a shelf or whatever you happen to have, you can position that landing gear. That's pretty cool. DOT tape down the sides, pretty awesome. I don't know why you'd ever want to take this apart, but if you do, you've got a screw right here that it looks like it holds the landing gear on, and then you have a screw that holds your Profil 2 box. There's two little pegs that goes through the die cast to kind of keep it from wiggling around. Looks like these side pieces here are cast into the die cast. There's 4 rivets that hold this back part on, so if that's of any interest to you, to take that off, as well as these steps. These are plastic, by the way. Your axles and stuff are screwed on. Nothing too important there, it looks like. Yeah. And then your oversized load sign is die-cast as well. I'm not sure what this is. That looks like it's die-cast, and I'm not sure how that was put onto the deck, but it's cool. Cool. So this leaves you a spot for, you know, chemical shuttles and whatever else you might want to put on there to stage your layout or however you want to play with this. About the claim is about any Ertl sprayer is going to fit in this. So it's fairly universal in nature, so you can be confident that whatever sprayer you happen to have is probably going to fit this trailer. That shouldn't be a problem at all. I would test that for you, but I don't happen to have any sprayers. So there's that. One of the coolest features I thought, and you know, I would have never come up with this idea, but I just think it is cool as heck. Just like on the real one, you don't have ramps that you pull out and move, right? On a real Roadrunner, you pull your sprayer up here, and then as you drive up the trailer, the ramps are spring-loaded and just work their way down while they're under pressure from your tire, and then they pop back up. So the sprayer trailer is exactly the same. Look at that. What a great detail. I would have never thought of that. I think it's cool. So that is it. That is the sprayer trailer from Roadrunner. It's got cool looking chrome tires. They even look like they're the right size. Not gonna lie, those wheels, they went out of their way. The wheels have great detail. Those are awesome. I love the branding right here on the deck. Then you have the branding on the profile, pretty awesome. The branding is consistent on the other side of the trailer, on the frame rail, pretty cool. I just can't say enough good things. Oh, here's what, I'm sorry. These 3 screws hold this deck to these frame rails. That's how that works. And then if you want to pop your wheels off to replace them with something else, you can do it that way, the easy way. So why would you want to do that? No idea. But anyway, that's it. That is the Roadrunner sprayer trailer by Roadrunner Manufacturing, or well, Diecast Masters made it in conjunction with Frierichs Model Works. Just a really neat piece. I do not know how many pieces were released of this model. It seems like I have a memory where I read someplace that Roadrunner did the majority of these, and then 300 were released to Frierichs Model Works to sell to dealers like me. So I bought some of these. They are for sale in my store. Like any diecast, if you like this piece, don't wait. Go buy it from your favorite dealer. Get it from me. Get it anywhere you buy diecast, or whoever happens to have them, and get it. It seems like really cool models sell out, and then people are scrounging for them, and then supply and demand takes over, and what cost 75 bucks now costs 150. So if you do happen to like it, you got the cash laying around, do not hesitate, go buy them. So that is my evaluation. Pretty awesome piece. I do like it. And it beats the one I'm 3D printing by a long shot. Mine's a little less, but then again, you have to assemble it, and it's 3D printed out of resin. It's not die cast like this. Either way, excellent piece. Don't hesitate, go buy one, and we'll catch you in the next video.